What's up, YouTube? Vengeful Sorrow here once again, and today I'm going to shotgun a Jim Beam Kentucky Straight Bourbon Whiskey and Cola mix. It's not straight bourbon, it's 5% alcohol by volume, 355 milliliters, which means it's a 12-ounce can. It does not say 12 ounces on the can, but 355 milliliters is the equivalent of 12 ounces. I've never had this before, so I've never actually had Jim Beam before either. I have had cola, so hopefully that'll be easy enough to go down. Now I hate whiskey, but hopefully it doesn't taste too bad, so let's get started. I'm going to aim for under 5 seconds. That's reasonable. I can smell the whiskey, but it's not too strong. It's so diluted. It's essentially like drinking beer, except it's not flavored like hops. Actually, it smells more like cola than anything. So, on your mark, get set. Vengeful Sorrow. Damn. Empty can. Not bad, really. I'd actually prefer to shotgun that than drink it, sipping at it. Just because I don't preferably like the taste, but it's not bad, really, for being mixed with some hard liquor. Definitely tastes a little stronger than beer, though, but it's pretty good. So, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.